This is Underground Pizza, home of the best pizza on the mountain, the go-to spot for killer happy hour specials, and the best donair kebab this side of Kelowna. Locals love Underground Pizza's laid-back, family-friendly vibe. It's one of our favorite places to relax with friends and watch the game after a long day shredding the slopes. Don't feel like eating out? No problem. Underground Pizza delivers the goods right to your hotel, cabin, or condo.
Hi everyone, my name is Al Reed. I love Big White. I've been here a long time. If you guys are looking for a casual place to come in, have some pizza, watch the game, drink some cold beer, warrior spot.
Al and the Underground Pizza Gang are located across the road from Snowshoe Sam's in Trappers Crossing, and their menu, featuring more than 10 different flavors of pizza, can be found online at undergroundpizza.ca.